Please wait me a minute. You see? Very invisible. The hairs. The quality is so good. Because I'm not styled the hair, so it is a little mess. But you can see the hair quality is so good. It's so good. And just like our real skin. If you want high quality wig, please choose this one. The hair is so good, so good. Very impressive. And it's invisible. The top area is very invisible. This is a jewel's wig. It's made by silk. There is silk on the top, and the hairs, we all use European virgin hair. It's the best hair. It is very best. It's best. It's very good. Can see? I love this hair. The hair is so smooth but fine and very strong. The price of European hair is very high, so this is very good. Quality is very good, and this is very good handwork. If you want a top quality wigs, you can choose this one. If you like some economic one, we also have many choice. We have all kinds of wigs and systems in stock. Because I'm not style this hair, so it's not so it is better than I wear it. The hair is fantastic. We have all kinds wigs and systems on stock. We have top quality at this one. We also have economic ones, but our systems are all it's very worth because our quality is better than others, but our price is super low than others too. We cannot stand poor qualities. Even our economic one also have very good quality, not poor ones. This one is fantastic. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. We will finish this show and see you tomorrow.